People are taught that hard work is the key to getting rich, but that's only half the story. If hard work isn't the whole answer, what is? The answer is a concept the wealthy have known for centuries: leverage. In its simplest form, leverage is the ability to achieve a big result with a small effort. Most people use the lever for lifting heavy things, but in business and finance, you can use it to grow your money and your influence. Let's break down the two main types of leverage. Financial leverage is using other people's money to make money for yourself. The most common example is buying a house. You don't pay for the entire house with your own money. Instead, you use a small down payment, your small effort, and you leverage the bank's money to buy the full house, your big result. As the house's value goes up, your wealth grows. You didn't do a lot of hard work, you simply leveraged a little of your money with a lot of the bank's money to get ahead. You only have 24 hours in a day, and so do I. That's a huge limitation if you're trying to build a business or get rich by yourself. This is where the truly wealthy use leverage of other people's time and skills. This is also how I can create a video once and have hundreds or even thousands of people watch it without any extra effort from me. This video is an asset, and it's leveraging my time and skills to work for me even when I'm sleeping. So remember, hard work is limited, but leverage is limitless. The rich don't work harder, they simply use leverage to make their money and their time work for them. These are the kinds of lessons you won't learn in school.